Confused. Confused. I am confused about this question. Scared. Scared. The little girl is scared of the dark. Bored. Bored. I am bored of doing the same work every day. Excited. Excited. The children are excited for the trip. Tired. Tired. I am tired after working all day. Nervous. Nervous. I felt nervous before my exam. Angry. Angry. She was angry at his brother. Proud. Proud. Her parents are proud of her success. Sad. Sad. She looks sad today. Happy. Happy. I am happy to see my friends. Surprised. Surprised. She was surprised to see the gift. Lonely. Lonely. She feels lonely in the big city. Relaxed. Relaxed. I feel relaxed after meditation. Disappointed. Disappointed. He was disappointed with his marks. Frustrated. Frustrated. I feel frustrated when my plans fail. Jealous. Jealous. She was jealous of her friend's success. Curious. Curious. Children are always curious to learn new things. Shocked. Shocked. They were shocked to hear the news. Worried. Worried. He is worried about his exams. Delighted. Delighted. I am delighted to meet you.